Hi, my name is Megan. I will be the veterinary technician today talking to you about your dog Max. So I know that you came in here for just a normal annual exam, just getting a checkup, and the vet has told you that he would like for Max to receive a dental. And I'm here to let you know what exactly a dental consists of. Now, we do have some handouts that I will give to you at the end of us talking that just has some more further information about what a dental is, what it's trying to prevent, all of that fun stuff. So, dentals are also known as cohats. So they are basically, we will be putting Max under anesthesia. And I know that sounds scary, but it's really beneficial for him in the sense that it gives us more time to be able to look inside of his mouth and get a more in-depth evaluation of what is going on. So we will be able to just look at everything that's going on in there, not just the teeth. We will also be able to see if there's anything going on with the tongue, anything that's going on with the throat, anything that's been going on with the cheeks, or anything that's just happening in there. We're able to spend a longer time looking and assessing and evaluating what we need to get done. So you might be thinking, why do animals need dentals? We get dentals, but why do animals need dentals? The same reason that we get them. Usually we suggest that dogs, cats should get dentals yearly. This usually starts when they're around 2 years old. Some start sooner because there might just be some issues going on there. And dentals can help prevent something that we call periodontal disease. So periodontal disease is an infection and inflammation of the periodontium. Periodontium kind of just holds everything together in there, keeps the teeth there, healthy, all of that. And I know it kind of sounds a little bit scary, but it can cause some harm to your pet. It destroys bone, tissue, and structures that hold the teeth in place. And, by the way, it is the leading cause of bad breath in your animals. And I'm guessing you've noticed that Max's breath is a little stinky, and you want to get rid of that. And trust me, this can help. So, I want to just go over some of the signs of periodontal disease so you know what to look out for about what's been going on. So some things to look for is obviously bad breath. They might not be eating as much. So like you might be just getting their food ready and you might just be waiting for them to get all excited and happy, and then when you put it down, you notice that they're eating a little bit slower, they're having a hard time chewing on it. This could mean that their mouth is in pain and something is going on. Same thing goes with if they're not chewing on their favorite toy. You know, that toy that's like the thing that they love more than anything. They take it to them to bed and all of that. And you just notice that it's just laying on the ground more and they're just not playing with it. That's another sign that there could be pain going on in there that's affecting Max in the way that he wants to eat things. Another one is hypersalivation. Max is a smaller breed, and usually those big boys are the ones who do all the salivating. So if you notice that there's just some excess drool that's been going on, or you might just, he's never done that before, but it started to happen, that means that something could be going on in the mouth. These are just some basic signs to look for. Nothing to just freak out about, like, oh no, what's going on? Just bring him in, we'll assess him, and most likely he will need a dental. So this is another kind of scary part about periodontal disease. When it is left untreated, it does cause a significant amount of pain in your pet, and we kind of just want to make them feel better and all of that. And if periodontal disease does go untreated, it can affect the heart, the liver, and the kidneys. So it might just start off as a simple infection in the mouth, but it can obviously lead to more harm that's been going on inside the body. So basically, an overview of what I've told you, why it is very important to get Max a dental, and how it can benefit you and your pet. So it can help prevent and even diagnose periodontal disease. So if we get in there and we see it, clean it, if anything needs to be taken out, we will do extractions. And we can actually get an overview of extractions beforehand by taking x-rays, which is just a further examination of what's going on inside. It can help treat that nasty, bad breath. I know, we want to get rid of it. And obviously, It just helps your pet have a healthy and pain-free mouth, which is all we want. So if you want, I will go get that handout for you that has more information on it. And if you are okay with going over these forms, we can get the date scheduled for the dental procedure, maybe an estimate of what's been going on, and we'll have you write some consent forms. Thank you so much.